You hear that? Then it stops. Okay, that's just a solid cap. There's really nothing there but all the venting holes. There's some there, and then there's probably some in and around this outer edge. So we're going to see why I can hear it sucking through the gas cap when I shut everything down. I see this. Oh, there's a little, I don't know where that went. I think it's for nothing really. We got little holes here. I don't know if they vent or not. You see? I see two holes here. And there's no gasket here at all. This just comes down on the top of here. And that's the gasket right there. Got a little crap on it, not too bad. Clean that off. Maybe take, looks like one hole is open. Should be okay. I think we're just fine. I mean, it's venting, but not at a killer rate, hey? Yeah, I don't know what these are for, really. I'm going to pull one out and see what it does. You see? Maybe it just holds something in there. Like this gasket. I can't tell what it would be for, really. I do see air through there. And this has a hole in it too. And there's air through here on both sides. I think I can just leave that in, yeah? Let's see if this one has the same thing. I want to drop it in my gas. That one I don't see much of a hole all the way through. A little air maybe, I don't know. Anyway, that's all I found. Tighten that up a little snug. That's from an old piece. Probably goes over one of these, I don't know. It's really not needed with this type of I'll put it in there just so it's there. All right, that's it. You can see with the gas cap on, there's where the two holes, they're right down in here. So I think they would be inside the tank. Well, no, they would be outside. Like this would be the outside, and it would sit there and it would suck in air from wherever. Gas cap on. Okay, so I took everything off. There's two little Allens right there. You can see air through one of them, definitely. They're small holes. I don't know what they're for, but there's two holes on that side, which allows all this stuff to, when you put it down in, whatever, so it'll suck through, apparently. I don't know.